this one, and we have pink.
Yes, pink.
We have blue.
Blue.
And we have red.
And we have red. And what's this?
And oil.
What's this?
Baking soda.
What's that?
Water.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Yes. All right, let's start our project.
Super bad. I don't know. It's red. Let me get red.
All right, Lamiery. So today what we're going to do is see the reaction of baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar. But let's do something with the oil too. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So I am going to assist you. Hold this with your dominant hand. We're going to pour the oil in here. Okay. Now you're going to take your food coloring.
Also.
Okay, open it. Let me know if you need help. I'll help you. Pop it open. You're gonna drop some in there. Oh wait, no. We're gonna hold off on using those. We're gonna put some blue inside of here. Ooh, look at that. I'll sit that over there. Put your blue inside of here. Nice. Good job. All right, and now we're going to do pink.
Pink.
And this one with the oil. Nice. All right, so now what we're going to do, see guys, the oil.
See guys.
Is making the food color separate. See?
Okay.
So we're spinning it. See the separation? All right, perfect.
Let me shake it.
Yes, you can. Let me show you. All right, so.
Shake it, Mommy.
Okay, here it comes.
Oh, no, Mommy. Mommy, my hands was pink. Oh, no, Mommy, my hands was pink, Mommy.
Yeah, because the food coloring. It's okay. All you gotta do is, after we finish, we wash our hands really good. And it'll go right away.
Is that ready? I know.
All right. So we did our food coloring and we swirled it around.
Mommy.
Now what we're gonna do, baby, we're gonna put some water in this one. Ooh, look at the pink. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna do some water. And I want you to take this water and pour this in there. Take your time. Wow. See what happened? Everything's what? Gathered at the top. Look. See the color falling down? Look in the water. See that?
Yeah.
Wow.
The color is falling down.
The color is slowly falling down into the water.
Yeah, you need to fall down one day.
Yep. The food coloring is slowly dropping down. You see that?
Yay!
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, so pretty.
It's so pretty. Let's bring it to the camera a little bit more so they can see. You see that, guys? Ooh. The color's changing. Look how pretty that is.
Well, still going.
It's still going. It's going to keep going until all of the coloring at the top floats to the bottom. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. so cool. Let me touch it.
Go ahead. What happened?
Oh,
Did anything happen?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
What happened?
It turns pink.
It turns pink.
Yeah, let me touch it.
Sure. It's your project. It's starting to look purple to me.
It's too purple.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah. It's purple.
Nice.
It is too purple.
It's so
Okay,
cool.
next round.
What else do you notice?
Okay, I'm going to pour it. Let me pour it. I'll pour it, Mommy.
Go ahead.
Well, Mommy. Mommy.
What happened?
Well, it's turned purple.
You turned purple?
Yeah.
The food coloring penetrates your skin.
It's a purple, Mommy.
Yeah, the food coloring is penetrating your skin, so it's making your skin the color of the food coloring that falls on it. All right. Go ahead, pour it out. You can pour it in there. Go back and forth. So now, guys, it's like a purplish blue. Now it's about to be gray as we continue to rotate the waters back and forth, but the color got really dark. Started off as water, clear water and oil and food coloring at the top, but then the food coloring started to slowly break through the oil. I guess the density of it is heavier than the oil, so the food coloring eventually falls down to the bottom and penetrates the water, and when that happens, it kind of disperses the coloring out. So that's what happened. And LAMIERY is now playing with her food coloring, which is like a dark purple. Let's see, with oil still in it. Oh wait, we gotta hold on. Let me see.
I used it.
It's very stuck. There we go. Okay, let's suck some up. And the droplets show that it's purple. Mm-hmm.
So down. It's down.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. Up. Wait, Mommy. Wait.
All right, guys. So we're gonna clean up and we're gonna move on to the baking soda and vinegar up next. Okay? You ready, Moo?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do the next project. Let's clean this up and then hit reset.
Oh, Mommy, like.
Okay. So you're gonna take your baking soda. Mm-hmm. You're gonna take this. You're gonna scoop out some baking soda using a spoon. And you almost got it. Here, use this one. You could do this. This, you hold it like that and you drag it up. And you dump it in. Do it again. That's it. Good job.
I don't want more.
You want to put them in all of them. Put them in all of them, all three. Yep, do some more.
That's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. That's
Okay.
enough, Mommy.
All right. Now you're going to put a drop or two.
I want this one. I want this one.
You're going to do all of them.
I'll do this one.
So put color in each one. So put that color in that one. Good job. All right. Do the next color in the next bottle.
Blue.
Blue. Nice. Okay. And last one that you didn't do is you need to do the red, baby. Or did you do the red in this one too? Put this one in this one. The color red. So it'll be red. Let's make that a rainbow. I'm gonna just do one drop of blue. Okay. All right. Now that we have our baking soda and our food coloring, we're going to do our vinegar.
Vinegar!
All right. So I'm gonna pour. So your vinegar, you're gonna use the syringe. Hold on, let me do it over here first. Syringe. Okay. All right, so you're gonna add some vinegar in each one. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, squeeze.
Whoa.
What's happening? All right.
It's ready on the shirt.
Let's get the food coloring
It's
on.
ready on my shirt. Why can't you go?
All right, squeeze it lightly.
Wait,
Oh wait, it's a little stuck. Hold on, let me help you. Okay, put your hand on it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, squeeze. Rainbow. Then it turned into like a black
Let
color.
me touch it.
Sure.
Wow. Wow. Let me do it again, Dad.
All right, we got one more. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! Can you touch it?
Yeah.
It's so blue.
Blue.
Daddy, look.
That's so cool.
Daddy, look, Daddy.
Wow.
Let me
So
try.
you see the colors blue,
Let me try again.
red, and black.
Let me try again.
Red and blue.
Let me try again.
We can try to add more baking soda. There you go.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It
Whoa,
does.
Daddy.
Okay, let's get some more vinegar. Whoa.
Can you touch it? Wow. And do it again.
Okay, do it for this one. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, push.
Whoa.
Wow.
Can you try again?
Okay.
Let me go.
3, 2, 1. Wow.
I want to do it
3,
again.
2, 1. Push.
Wow.
Wow.
It's just cool.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Push. Oh, that one's dead.
Daddy.
Good job, Lulu. So what happened?
It turned blue.
It turned blue.
Yeah.
And what else?
It turned red
Okay, what else?
until and it turned pink.
That's black. Okay, so you've seen everything turn colors. Now you're pouring it all in. Mixing.
Can I try again?
Sure. All right, tell everybody bye. See you next time.
Bye. Bye.
See you next time.